Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Infinite In this video, let's learn about page setup in MS Word. If you are new to my channel, check out tutorials on MS Word. Link is given in the description box. Now let's begin with page layout. These are all tabs of MS Word. This is page layout, that is page setup in MS Word. First is margins. With the help of margin, you can set the size of the document. Click on margins option. Different options are here for margins: normal, narrow, moderate, wide. Choose one to apply. Here you can even choose last custom setting. From the options, you can choose any one you desire. If you want customize margin, click on custom margins. A window appears. So here is margins option where you can set top, bottom, left and right margin to the page. You can customize your margins from this window. Just observe changes into this preview. Here I am setting top, bottom, left, right. In this way you can customize margins and view changes here. Click on OK to apply. The changes are applied. In the margins, third option is gutter, Gutter. How this works? Observe the changes into the preview. You can see the changes towards the left. This can be used with binding stuff. You can apply gutter position to left and top of the page. So this is the third option, Gutter, gutter. There are two orientation, portrait and landscape. You can observe into preview, this is portrait and this is landscape. Pages you can apply to normal, to mirror margins, 2 pages per sheet and even book fold. Here I will select normal. You can choose different page format, normal, mirror margins, 2 pages per sheet and book fold. This is page setup. Second option is orientation. Same option we saw in the margins, portrait and landscape. Third is size. You can set size to the page A4, A6, A5, B5. You can choose options available from here. Next, fourth option is columns. You can choose 1 column, 2, 3 columns for the page. Let's see how it works. For example, I will choose 2. You can see 2 columns in the page. With the help of columns option, you can split the page. You can split into 2 columns, 3 columns. And more options are available left, right. Next is fifth option. Next is breaks. This helps to add breaks into the page. This helps to add breaks into the current location of the page. For example, now to add break, bring your cursor to a location where you want to add break. For example, I want to add break over here. Bring your cursor to this position. Next step, click on breaks, click page. You can see the change. This is page break. Similar way, you can use this with column, but for this you need to have columns into the page, which you can add with the help of columns. Now I have added 2 columns. Now let's use break, that is column break. you can see the change. In the similar way, you can use page breaks and section breaks. Now let's see next line numbers. Line numbers help to add numbers on specific line. Let's add line number. There are different options available. First is continuous. So it will add continuous line numbers to the pages. As you can see, the numbers are continuous. Next in line numbers is restart each page. Let's see how this works. Click on restart each page. Let's see how this applies numbers. You can see the second type of numbering system where on each page numbering starts from 1. So on this page the numbering is from 1 to 25, and for the new page again the numbering starts from 1. So this is line numbers in Word. You can use for each section also. Next, last one is hyphenation. Now let's see how hyphenation works. Just observe the second line. You can see here space is left. Now what happens when I apply hyphenation? I will choose automatic. You can see the space is now occupied by the other word. I have applied on another page. You can see the leftover space is occupied in hyphenation. Whatever word fits on the space comes here, and then comes hyphenation, and the remaining word comes on the next line. Hyphenation saves space in the document. It uses the leftover space and applies uniform spacing. So this is word hyphenation. The leftover space is occupied by the another word. You can also use page setup shortcut. Just click over the small option and the page setup window appears. So this is all about margins, orientation, size, columns, breaks, line numbers and hyphenation in MS Word. Hope you learned from this video. Hit the red subscribe button, like this video. Thank you for watching.